In this age of rising rents and insufficient housing supply, it has never been more important to support access to quality, safe, and affordable housing. Whether designated for working families, seniors, people with disabilities, or essential workers, experts point to the importance of investing in public policies, outreach, and education efforts to better support the building of more affordable homes.
There's a real cost to not being able to ensure that folks are able to stay in the housing that they have, and there's a real cost to having folks that are unhoused. The investment in the preventative and provide housing to those individuals, we actually in the long run will have a better benefit for all of society.
A nonprofit affordable housing provider headquartered in San Diego, Community Housing Works is a national leader in developing, rehabilitating, preserving, and operating affordable apartment communities throughout California and Texas. CHW builds futures by providing stable housing with resident-centered services for working families, seniors, and people with disabilities.
We pride ourselves on being a great developer of high-quality housing, but at the same time, we feel there's an equal mission of providing really high-quality resident services that really support those residents once they move into that housing. The pillars of what you think are going to better people's lives, not just for their current life, but for generations to come. So our focus is on education, financial sustainability, and health and wellness.
We have an after-school program geared towards K through 8th grade students. We have Valor, that's for anyone who's pursuing higher education of any kind. They are able to apply for a scholarship on a yearly basis. And we have Career Pathways that exposes students to different career options. We also have Health and Wellness, where we have a Resident Leadership Academy that empowers residents to make a positive impact in their communities. We offer programs for our seniors that help reduce isolation and also access to healthy food to reduce food insecurity. At CHW, we do more than just build homes. We build vibrant communities, really taking a holistic approach to the services that we provide that are all resident centers, providing them the tools and the education that they need to lead fulfilling lives for them and their families. More than just providing affordable homes to communities, we build communities that are vibrant, where neighbors support each other, and on top of that, we're setting up social mobility for generations to come.
Housing is a platform for success, and CHW takes great care to ensure the communities we build are beautiful, sustainable, and well-maintained, and that they provide a place people are proud to live in and have in their neighborhood.
So definitely a big relief, being able to focus on building our futures, and for me to be able to focus on the education of my daughters and really provide them with all that San Diego has to offer. I feel like our quality of life is just completely different, and solely because we have a place to live that is a good location, it's safe. And moving into it, it was brand new, it was beautiful, beautiful view of downtown San Diego. So it was just nice to come home to that and to be able to provide that to my kids.
We pride ourselves on being able to successfully access the funding resources that we have on our development side. Combinations of relationships with banks, with private finance, also with public finance as well. And we feel like we are very successful in securing those resources. So that's fine for our development side. But when it comes to our resident services, we really rely on, frankly, the generosity of the philanthropic community as well as the individual and institutional donors that we engage with. They are vitally important to us being able to carry out that second part of our mission of really supporting people and helping them build better futures. So we really feel excited about the partnerships that we're adding and building on to be able to do more housing and also support our residents in where they live.
Housing is a basic human right and an essential need. And we all do better when everyone in our society has a safe and stable place to live. Learn more today about Community Housing Works, where we build futures. For more information, visit chworks.org or call 619-282-6647.